You can drink from the spout without taking the lid off with an easy twist sip lid. This Takaya lid is removable and is made to fit all sizes of Takaya bottles, 14 ounces minus 40 ounces. The lid doesn't leak, isn't made of BPA, and has a large opening for ice cubes. The lid has a hinge that keeps it open while you drink or pour and a convenient carry hook. You can put the top rack of the dishwasher in the dishwasher.
The simple modern Ascent flip lid fits all sizes of double-walled, stainless steel, insulated Ascent water bottles and Hydro Flask standard mouth water bottles. This lid, which is free of BPA, makes it easy to drink. It doesn't leak and can go in the leading rack of the dishwasher. The Hydro Flask Lid Replacement standard mouth straw lid has a strong rubber straw that lets a lot of liquid out quickly, so you can quench your thirst. This Hydro Flask lid works with all Hydro Flask standard mouth bottles. BPA-free design. Lifetime warranty from the maker. All Hydro Flask standard mouth bottles can use the standard mouth flex straw cap. The Nalgene Multidrink Replacement Cap fits the Nalgene water bottles with threads measuring 63 mm. Use the 32-ounce and 48-ounce Nalgene water bottles with wide mouths. It has a flexible design that lets you down your drink. BPA, BPS free, so the water you drink is safe and tastes great. It is made to last a lifetime. Easy to clean and safe for the dishwasher. Continuous, straight-shouldered semi-buttress threads seal the bottle tightly to ensure it doesn't leak. Material of high grade. The flip-top design makes it simple to consume. Hand-free carrying is made possible by the durable circular finger loop. In addition, you will get 2 stunning colors of straw lids, 2 straws, and 2 brushes in one set, the best value package. Straw lids with straws are ideal replacements for insulated wide-mouth water bottles and are compatible with Hydro Flask wide-mouth water bottles.